How to scan Fiverr QR code. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you how you can easily scan a QR code in Fiverr. So in order to do it, you first need to launch your Fiverr application in your mobile, and then you need to locate for the QR code option. So by default, you will be able to find the QR code option in the top right hand corner of the screen. So you simply need to tap on it, and then if prompted, you need to grant to certain permissions in order to access the camera of your device. Then you need to point your smartphone's camera at the QR code, so you need to ensure the code fits within the frame displayed on your screen. Then you need to tap. Then the application will automatically recognize and process the QR code. Once the QR code is scanned, you need to follow any on-screen instructions to complete the process. So with the help of these instructions, you will be able to easily scan the Fiverr QR code. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.